Hey Canva artists, welcome back. In today's quick and exciting video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva Magic Formulas inside Canva Sheets. If you've ever felt stuck trying to figure out formulas, don't worry, Canva has made it unbelievably simple. All right, let's jump straight in. I'm already inside a Canva Sheet project, and for today's example, we're working on a social media calendar. Each post has its own budget, and now we want to calculate the total budget automatically, without stressing over manual formulas. Here's how easy it is. First, I'm going to type total budget where I want to display the result. Then, I click on the cell right next to it. This is where I want the total to show up. Now, head over to the Actions menu at the top, scroll down and select Magic Formulas. A little pop-up window appears, and here's the magic part. I simply type, "Please give me the total budget," and hit enter. Just like that, Canva instantly gives me the total, which is $120 in this example, and even shows the formula it used. All I have to do is click Insert into I2, and boom, we've got our total budget calculated automatically. Pretty amazing, right? This feature is a total lifesaver, especially if you're not a formula expert or you're managing a big, complicated sheet. Canva Sheets really turns what used to be a headache into something super fast, super easy, and honestly, kind of fun. In our next videos, we'll keep exploring more awesome actions you can use in Canva Sheets to save even more time and boost your productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, let us know down in the comments what Canva tricks or features you'd love to learn next. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.